For my project today, I'm going to be using oil pastels. I'm going to be making a symmetrical design, so the first thing I'm going to do is fold my paper in half. The fold will become my line of symmetry. Oil pastels are a very soft material. I'm going to start with a black oil pastel. Now I'm going to rotate my paper so the fold is horizontal. I'm going to write the number 2021 right on top of the fold. I draw the numbers nice and big so they're filling that half of the paper. I also trace over the numbers once or twice to make sure I have enough oil pastel on my paper. Now I close my paper and I'm going to flip it over so that the oil pastel is on the top layer. You can see how the numbers have been reversed. I'm going to use a spoon and I can see the numbers through the paper. I'm following those lines with my spoon and I'm rubbing gently. This is why we're using oil pastels for this project. They're soft and greasy, and this pressure is going to transfer the oil pastel to the second half of the paper. I'm going to use my black oil pastel again and draw over the lines that I've just made. Now the drawing is symmetrical and it's also a mirror image. Can you see how the left side is reversed? One of the fun things with these symmetrical drawings is that they tend to look like very abstract faces. I like to tilt my paper and look at it to see which direction is more inspiring for me. One of the nice things is that 2021 has a nice circle in it and they make nice eyes. I add some more details to create my face, and for this version I'm going to color with my oil pastels. Which face do you like? I'm going to repeat the project, and this time I'm going to use slightly different materials. I'm still going to start my drawing with an oil pastel. The oil pastel is important because that's what I'm using to transfer the image. So far my steps are the same. I'm going to use my oil pastel to darken the left side and add my details again. I like to connect the lines from my numbers to create shapes. A few details like eyebrows and eyelashes, and it really starts to look like a very silly face. This time, to add color to my design, I'm going to be using my watercolors. Greasy oil pastels work the same way that waxy crayons do. As I add my paint, the lines will help keep the colors separate. Which technique will you try?